1.
First, plug in the broken RJ45 modular plug. Close the safety lock. Then swing the cable vigorously. Look, the network cable is still firmly fixed by the safety lock.
Round 2.
First, still plug in the broken RJ45 modular plug. Close the safety lock. Now follow me. Next, wrap the network cable around the tree tightly. Let's start pulling, trying different positions and pulling the cable really hard. It is amazing that the network cable is still firmly fixed.
Round 3.
Now the challenge has come to another level. As usual, plug in the cable and close the safety lock. Now follow me to the bike. Tightly twine the network cable around the bike. One person helped me holding the switch, and me trying hard to pedal the bike, only finding it difficult to move forward. The safety lock always firmly holds the network cable, even under such extreme situation. Now let's take a look. Netis safety lock appears as good as new, with network cable connected tightly. Challenge completed successfully. After 3 connection tightness tests, it is clear that the safety lock attached to Netis switch is incredibly stable and durable. Get one now and have a try.